Hi Virgo, ako ulit. Sorry lang, late na naman ako. So, tingnan natin kung anong ganap sa'yo. Okay, Virgo. Para po sa mga makaka-resonate, hit na thumbs up po. Maraming salamat po pala sa mga new subscriber ko at sa mga nag-like po sa aking video. Maraming salamat po, okay? So, tsaka sa mga nag-comment, I love you guys. Really, I do. Okay, so, tingnan natin kung anong ganap sa'yo. Okay. Gumawa na po pala ako ng channel para po sa lahat ng sign. I-link ko na lang po sa description mamaya kung ano yung channel na yun. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano ang dapat malaman ni Virgo. Virgo Collective. Para po sa mga makaka-resonate, alam niyo nang gagawin. Okay? Para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Okay po? So, past, present, and future, maaaring naganap na, magaganap pa lang, or kasalukuyang nagaganap ang energy po, maaaring ikaw or kaong connected sa'yo or environment mo. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano meron kay Virgo. Virgo Collective. Ulit na lang ako. King of Earth. Queen of Earth. Wow. And the Four of Air. We'll see. Clarify each card. So, at the bottom of the deck, Ace of Fire. Ace of Wands. I don't know if this is a new person or a past person, but we will see. I will clarify each card. Okay. Clarify the King of Earth. Who is this, Virgo? Maybe this is you. Or maybe the person that you're connecting with, or maybe you are going to connect with in the future. Okay, so we'll see. King of Earth. Clarify the King of Earth for my Virgo, please. The Hierophant. Wow. Commitment. Contract. Page of Cups. Offering. Three of Pentacles. Nine of Cups. Four of Cups. And the Five of Wands. Wow. You need to heal on something. I think you're going to heal anyway. Four of Cups. This is a missed opportunity or ignore or rejection. Five of Wands is all about conflict, fighting, obstacle, problem on the way. Virgo, Four of Wands at the bottom of the deck. So we'll see. Ace of Fire and the Ace of Fire at saka Four of Wands ang overall energy mo. So let's do this, Virgo. Okay, King of Earth. Clarified by the Hierophant and the Page of Cups. Page of Cups is my crush card, but in this two combination. Virgo, someone is going to offer you about something. Clarify ko ba nga? Kung sino man to sa yung King of Earth na to, ay either ikaw man to or taong connected sa'yo or taong mako-connect mo in the future. But this King of Earth, he's very entrepreneurial mindset. Okay. Okay. But with the Hierophant card, it's all about contract, it's all about beliefs, it's all about religion, it's all about, but we will see. Okay, Eight of Cups. And the Ten of Cups. You are going to walk away on something, or maybe you already walk away, or maybe someone is going to walk away from you, but the walk away thing, okay, yung walking away thing, yun ang magdadala sa'yo sa Ten of Cups. Okay, if you are going to detach on someone or something here that is holding you back, boom, doon ka, heading ka sa Ten of Cups. My new, I think this is more on new. Kasi ang page sa akin is all about news. New. Baka news. It's all about bago. Okay, page is a bago thing. It's a baby thing for me. Okay. So, together with the fish, ang fish can grow. Okay, depende sa pag-aalaga mo. And page can grow. Page to the knight, to the king, to the boss energy. Okay. So, kung sino man tong taong to sa'yo, Virgo, I think you need to walk away on something first, or someone needs to walk away from you. Kung in the walking away word, kung sino man ang lalayasan mo or sino man ang lalayas dito, for sure, okay. you are heading, or I think you are heading, kung sino man ang iiwanan ka or ikaw ang mang-iiwan, either way, heading ka pa rin sa Ten of Cups. Okay, Ten of Cups is your wish, desire, happy life, happy life. Okay, bas happy life, happy. Okay, it's all about happiness. This is your hearts and your dreams and your heart's desire, your goal. Okay, yan ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. So, depende na lang sa'yo yan kung paano mo aalaga ng page. Merong incoming sa'yo dito. I think if this is a proposal, or if this is a new boss, or this is a work, or maybe you are going to be your own boss, or maybe you are going to create on something. Merong gustong makipag-partnership sa'yo. It's all about contract. It's all about terms and condition, agreement, policies. Yun ang mga nakikita ko dito. But you need to walk away on something because you are heading on this way. This is new for me. If you walk away on something, you are heading towards here. Okay? Makakagalaw ka. You can move. Okay? You can do your own thing. You can move what you want. Okay? With the Ten of Cups. Ten of Cups is all about your heart and going. Kasi ang Eight of Cups is no longer serving you. It's not aligned in your energy. Okay? In your journey. Okay? So, yung nakita ko dito, Virgo, sa first row. I hope it makes sense. Depende sa'yo yan, career man yan, or relationship man yan, family man yan, okay? Basta you need to walk away on something, okay? You are heading towards, I don't know, kontrata. Hindi ko alam kung may new contract ka, may bago kang in-applyan, or marriage proposal to, or engagement. But there is an offer here when it regards to legalities, paperwork, court case, business man yan, or proposal man yan, or new suitors man yan. Meron kang contract dito kasi kung sino man tong King of Pentacles na to, wala pong energy sa tarot. Okay, wala po, hindi sa tarot, sa energy. So, energy doesn't have any gender. So, pag sinabi ko pong King of Wands, baka babae, yan, ini-embody niya ang pagka King of Wands energy, go-getter energy. Ay, King of Pentacles pala yan. Sorry. Sorry, Virgo. King of Pentacles is all about stability, business-minded person, entrepreneur mindset person. Okay. Baka lalaki kang nanonood nito, merong gustong makipag-partnership sa'yo. Okay. Ano siya, kumbaga, meron siyang knowledge when it regards sa mga business. Okay. So, knowledgeable ang King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles is it's all about the bag. Okay, it's all about the mindset of being stable. Okay, so yeah, but you need to walk away on something first. Okay, na hindi na naka-align sa energy mo, or hindi na naka-align sa timeline mo. Okay, or someone, if someone na may gustong mag-walk away sa'yo, ayan, open, buksan mo pa yung pinto, dahil para sa kanya, ano pa, pabaunan mo ng sandwich ba, tsaka ng panta. Okay, pero sabihin, hindi naman sabihin, napaka-rude mo naman na parang pinabaunan mo pa ako. Kasi it's meant to be, okay, because you are heading on something here, something like, something or someone bigger, okay, more deserving, okay. So, ewan ko kung ano sa'yo yan, but yun ang nakikita ko dito sa first row. Second row, Virgo, Queen of Earth, King and Queen of Earth, like, what the hell? Meron kang partner couple dito, okay. Meron kang couple card, King and Queen of Earth. So, Virgo, you are going to match this person's energy. Okay. You are in. Okay. I'm in. Let me in. Or maybe someone will tell you, I'm in. Okay. So, magkakaroon ka ng agreement dito on something or on someone, babae or lalaki. I don't know if it's, who is it for you? Is it love department or career department ba yan para sa'yo? Basta meron kang partnership incoming here. Queen of Earth, you're going to match this person's energy. So, wow. Together with the Three of Pentacles and the Knight of Cups. Like, what? Virgo, it's It's all about the bag. Okay, yun lang ang masasabi ko dito. Ang focus mo is more on your finances right now. More on the bag, more on your goals and your wish. And di ko alam, parang nabivision kitang you are exploring something new or you are trying something new. Nine of Cups is you can do it. You can do it. Okay, kung nakikita mo sa vision mo, kung naaamoy mo siya, napipicture mo siya, nabivision mo siya, for sure you can do it. Okay, so Virgo, mamamatch mo kung sino man itong kasi once na mag-walk away ka on something, you are completely aligned. Okay, so ang mga taong energetically, vibrationally, same thinking or same energy na ini-embody mo, yun ang mga makikilala mo. Okay. Gets mo ko, yun ang magkakaroon ka ng mga connection, mga ganong mind. Okay, sa mga business-minded or sa mga malawak ang pag-iisip, all about future, all about stability. Yun ang mga taong makukonect mo this month or I don't know because this is a timeless read so it's up to you. Three of Pentacles for me is all about collaboration. Someone is putting you on the pedestal already. Someone is seeing your work. Alam nilang galawan mo. Okay, so I think you're gonna get it. Queen of Earth, it's all about the bag. Okay. Queen of Pentacles yan sa tarot. Nine of Cups, your wish, your heart's desire. Heading to 10 of Cups yan. 9 to the 10 of Cups. As I told you, kung may lalaya sa buhay mo, palayasin mo, day. Huwag kang magpigil-pigil. Kung gusto mong lumayas, bahala ka na kung paano mo gagawin yan. Huwag ka lang magpapahuli. Okay, so 10 to the 9 of Pentacles. So it's up to you, Virgo. It's up to you. Someone here wants to collaborate with you. If this is a if this is a love interest, it's gonna be mind blowing. Okay, because you are on the same vibration. Okay, together with the Ace of Wands in the bottom of the deck, overall energy, hindi na ako magtataka, day. Paras kayong passionate, paras kayo ng desire, paras kayo kung anong idea mo, it's gonna be okay for him or her. Supportive energy kasi King and Queen of Pentacles, they are team. Okay, they are couple, they are on the same page, same vibration. Okay, so I think kung meron ka mang tinatry na bago dito, I think you're going to be successful about it because 9 of Pentacles to the 10 of Pentacles. So it's up to you kung paano mo siya palalaguin. Yung isda nga sa buhay yan siya. Depende na lang yan kung paano mo siya papalakihin. Okay. Mga legal matters dyan, Virgo. It's gonna be positive. Okay. So, bahala ka na mga terms and condition, policies, agreement, I don't know. But yun lang ang masasabi ko dito, Virgo. Okay, so sa second row, hindi ko na i-clarify yan dahil malinaw naman yan para sa akin. Merong someone putting you on the pedestal, alam ang galawan mo. Alam niya kung once na mag-open up ka, open din siya. Willing siyang makinig, willing ka rin makinig kung opinion ng bawat isa, idea ng bawat isa. Okay, so ang goal nyo dito is 9 of Cups to the 10 of Cups. Okay, your heart's desire, building the future, stability, and security. Okay, yun ang nakikita ko dito. Sa second row, third row naman, yan, Four of Air. Four of Air, it's all about healing or contemplation, praying. Okay, for me. Meron kang 44 dito. Okay, 4, numerology 8. So, it's all about the bag again. So, Four of Cups is all about rejection. Rejection is protection, day. Okay. So, kung ano man ang ito-turn down mong offer or kung ano man ang ito-turn down mong situation or maybe someone is gonna turn you down or maybe someone is going to reject you, don't think about it, Virgo, because everything happens for a reason. Okay? Together with the 5 of Wands, like it's gonna be chaotic. Hindi ko alam kung mapipikon ka or someone is mapipikon here. It's gonna be physical. Okay. Sakitan to sometimes. Okay. Pero let me see. Clarify ko ba nga. Page, Knight of Pentacles, but there is an apology. I don't think so. Don't think about the apology already. I don't know. Kung ikaw to, of course, mag-apology ka. Okay. But, doesn't have to be like mag-apology ka and you need to stay again. or you need to like to be on the same position again. If this is a job or if this is a relationship for you, you have to hingi ka ng paumanin, pero sabay batchi ka. Okay, sorry na kung nasampal man kita o nasabunutan kita. Sensya ka na. Nadala lang ako kasi kailangan eh. It's mo. Pero kung emotional damage naman ng pinag-uusapan natin dito, siyempre mag-apology ka rin kung meron kang saktan mentally or emotionally. Siyempre, pero hindi ko sinabing mag-stay ka or hindi ko sinabing you're going to do it again like martyr thing. I don't know why I get that. I don't know. Maybe for some of you, for some of us, or kung hindi naman sa martyr thing, job man yan, pagod ka na, sagad ka na, may apology coming in, or someone will apologize to you after what they've done. Okay? After kung sino man ang gagawa ng rejection sa'yo, ignoring, rejection, awayin ka man, sigawang ka man, or what or something. Nakaka-relate ako ng konti, in fairness. Ano ba tong card na to? Parang nakakabagabag naman siya. You need to pray, you need to meditate, you need to contemplate with the Four of Swords here. Four of Cups is all about rejection. Kung magka-apology man siya, it's up to you. Okay? So, wag mong awayin yung sarili mo. I-accept mo yung apology, pero wag kang, you know already. You know better. Ikaw ang nasa sitwasyon, di ba? So, yun lang ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. With the Ace of Fire at the bottom of the deck, it's very passionate. You're heading towards a positive situation, positive person, positive, lahat positive tayo. Four of Wands at the bottom of the deck, overall energy, Ace of Wands and Four of Wands, like, hell no. Talaga namang heading ka sa happiness mo at saka yung goals and dreams mo na na-outlook before. I think it's gonna continue. 2024, it's gonna be a big thing and it's gonna be a big year for you. 2024, ang daming magaganap. So, it's up to you na lang, lesson learned. So, yung mga taong reject mo or yung mga taong na-reject ka, it's meant to happen. Okay? Kasi ina-align ka, nire-redirect ka on the right path. Okay. Mararamdaman mo yan sa dugo mo, Brad. Okay, na you need to be in the environment about newness. It's all about new, exploring new things, meeting new people. You need to remove yourself on something or someone wants to remove themselves para sa'yo. Kung may lalayas nga, pabaunan mo nga ng pantaw, kaya man ng sandwich lang dyan. Kung di man pansit kanton, ay lang, gutom na tuloy ako. Kung ikaw naman ang lalaya, siguraduhin mong hindi ka rin mahuhuli. Hindi ko naman sinabing matakot ka. What I mean is, yung hindi ka na madidisturbo ulit. Pero depende na lang sa iyo yan kung magpapadisturbo or something. Pero merong ditong after the fight, after the rejection, after ng palitan ng masasakit na salita, may apology. Like, seriously? Talaga lang. Hey. Depende na lang sa iyo yan kung paano mo iintindihin or poprosesuhin. Okay. Either way, magiging masaya ka din naman at the end of the day. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung anong advice for my Virgo, please. Imrama, sorry. Where are you being called to your journey? I told you, there is a calling for my past reading. Okay. Meron kang calling, Virgo. Definitely meron kang calling. Each and every one of us merong calling. So, depende na lang po sa atin yan kung open tayo sa mga calling. Kung sasagutin natin or hindi. Pero, I'm sorry to say, you're going to go back again in another lifetime. Okay. I mean is, kung hindi mo isagutin yung call mo, so mamamatay ka na lang nang hindi mo nasasagot yung calling mo. Kumbaga yung mission mo na dapat mong gawin dito sa earth. Eh hindi mo sinagot, so mamamatay ka na lang, babalik ka ulit, marireincarnate ka ulit, tapos yun ulit, tatawagan ka ulit, tapos, di ba alam mo yun? Sagutin mo na lang, para matapos na baga. So, mirror, who or what is triggering you? You need to mirror yourself, Virgo. You need to do some mirroring. Okay. Tingin ka sa salamin. Sino or ano ang nagtitrigger sa'yo. Okay. So, you need to release it anyway. Kung nakita mo kung sino or nalaman mo kung ano ang nagtitrigger sa'yo, you need to release it, okay? Kasi nakasta ka para bang nasa loob ka ng salamin, parang ang trap na hindi ko maintindihan. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Yun ang nakikita ko. Dito sa mirroring something, you need to release something, okay? But you need to, kailangan mong hanapin, kailangan mong alamin kung ano, okay? And you need to release it pag nalaman mo. Kasi meron ka ditong calling eh. Where are you being called to your journey? Okay. Imrama. What else? Break the chain. Oh my God, it makes sense. Tumataas ang balahibo. Break the chain. Ancestral patterns, healing, rewriting the future. Okay, Virgo, you are the author. Okay. You are the author of your story. So, Virgo, yan ang advice sa'yo. Very, very powerful. Break the chain. If you are bound or if you have a bondage, addiction, or something, someone, hindi ko alam kung saan ka nakatali. You have to break yourself free. Okay? Break the chain. Healing, rewriting the future. You need to write your future again. Okay? I think, maybe next chapter na lang. Kasi kung magre-rewrite ka, kaya nga dapat talaga mas magandang lapis ang gamit kasi may eraser, you know? Okay. So, yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. Break the chain, Imrama, where you are being called to your journey, and mirror, who are what is triggering you. Okay. So, pag nalaman mo kung sino or ano ang nagtitrigger sa'yo, you need to release it like quickly. Kasi ang sumunod na advice sa'yo is break the chain. Kung sino yon or ano yon nagtitrigger sa'yo, kasi may calling ka dito, you need to answer it anyway. So, it makes sense na sa akin yung Ace of Fire at saka Four of Wands at the bottom of the deck, overall energy. Kung sino man itong mga taong itatapon sa daan mo, it's meant to be because you are going to vibrate on a very highest vibration na mabivision mo kung ano kung magiging ano ka in the future, kung anong gusto mo maging in the future, okay? So, you are divinely guided here, but you need to walk away on something or someone needs to walk away on someone needs to walk away, okay? So, Virgo, tingnan natin kung ano ang bottom of the deck. The crumbling. Ooh, the crumbling. Where are you clinging on? What are you clinging on to? So, you need to it's crumbling, dai. It's crumbling. Kung ano man yan siya. Okay, so, you need to release yourself on something. As I told you, it makes sense. Yung advice dito, yan siya. You need to walk away because pagtapos mong mag-walk away or pagkatapos mong ma-release on something, kung may bondage ka man, addiction, relationship, job, you need to set yourself free on something because ang daming naghahantay na opportunity sa'yo dito. Mafe-feel mo yan. I think you can barely feel it into your veins, sa ugat mo, sa dugo mo, intuition mo, isip mo, panaginip mo. I think someone is calling you. You need to answer it, Virgo. Okay, so let's see what is the angel message number for you. Angel message number for my Virgo, please. Google mo siya. Baka makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo today or to now. Hindi ko alam kung kailan to kasi timeless read to. So, 5, it's all about changes. King, there is a person, masculine energy na nag-pass away na. This is an old energy. Okay, so 5-10-2. 5-10-2, angel message number. Open mo yun, Virgo, baka makaresonate sa'yo. So, this is what I have for you. Sa mga maka-resonate, hit the thumbs up, comment below, and nababasa ko lahat ng comment nyo. But, I hope you understand. Okay, so, this is what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. But I love you pa rin. Sana po love nyo pa rin ako. So, baka po mahagap ko na yung energy nyo sa susunod. So, antabay pa rin. So, yeah, Virgo, this is what I have for you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. And bye for now.